Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in today's video, we are going to learn one of the important theorem in the chapter circle, the theorem of touching circle. So, the statement of the theorem is, if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on line joining their centers. So, here two circles are shown here. These two circles touch each other externally at point C with center A and B, and here these two circles touch each other internally at point C with center A and B. So given thing is, C is a point of contact of two circles with center A and B. C is a point of contact of two circles with center A and B. Both the cases are shown here. These two circles touch each other externally and these two circles touch each other internally. Now we have to prove that point C lies on line AB. Means segment AB, these two points, point C lies on AB. In both the cases we have to prove. Now let line L be the common tangent. Now this line L is the common tangent for it externally. This is the line L passing through point of contact, and here for internally this line L is touching the circle at point of contact C. Common tangent passing through point C. It is a common tangent passing through point C of two circles touching each other externally as well as internally. Now here line L is perpendicular to segment AC. Now here this segment AC is the radius of circle, this left hand side, and this other radius, and BC is also radius. So by tangent theorem, this is perpendicular, AC is perpendicular to line L is perpendicular to AC by tangent theorem, and line BC is also perpendicular to line L is perpendicular to say radius BC by tangent theorem. Therefore AC is perpendicular to line L and BC is perpendicular to line L. So AC is perpendicular to line L and BC is perpendicular to line L. Therefore through C, point of contact 1 through C, one and only one line perpendicular to L can be drawn. We can draw one and only by tangent theorem. We can draw there is one and only one tangent passing through a point touching the circle at point by definition of tangent. That tangent touch the circle in one and only one point. Therefore, these points B, C, A, B are collinear. Therefore, they lie on the same line. In both the cases, A, B, C are on the same line. Now, some important notes about this touching circle theorem. So, first, the point of contact of touching circle lies on the line joining their centers. So, point of contact here, see in both the cases, externally as well as internally, this point of contact lies on the line joining the center of the circle. These are the A and B are the center of the circle. So point of contact C lie on the radius, that segment joining the center of the circle. Now, if two circles touch each other externally, these are the two circles touching each other externally, then the distance between their centers is equal to sum of their radii. Suppose R1 is the radius of this circle and R2 is the radius of the circle with center B. R1 is the radius with center A and let R2 be the radius of a circle with center B. Then the distance between the circles touching each other externally is equal to sum of the radius. So here distance AB In first case, distance AB touching each other externally is equal to sum of the radii R1 plus R2. Distance between their radius of the circle, sum of the radius of the circle. Distance between the center is equal to sum of their radius, means AC plus CB. Okay. Then next, the distance between the centers of the circle touching each other internally is equal to difference between their radii. Difference of their radius. Now here, these two circles with center A and B touches internally at point C. So distance between these two centers, distance, this is for external sum of the radius, and internally distance between the center is equal to, suppose R1 is the radius of the circle with center A and R2 with the radius of a circle with center B, then distance between the radius is equal to difference between their, so R1 minus R2. When two circles touches each other internally, the distance between their center is equal to difference between the radius of the two circles touching each other internally at point C. All of you note down all these points in your note.